side of the field, we have one placement on L4, 610 places on L2, and L1 from TitanBot. 5 seconds to go. Can any more Coral get on those reads? SuperNURDs, barely enough time to put it on. Starting off, Telion 23-19. Blue has a slight lead, but still anyone's game. 13-88 to go Robotics. Places an L4 Coral, same with 610 for the red alliance. That's 10 more points. 399 elevator extended with an Algae in the row. I'm going to processor. SuperNURDs going to their net. Putting an Algae up there. Oh, it dropped. TitanBot's on top of an Algae. They pick it up, going to their processor. 610 and 1388 placing L4 Corals for the red alliance. SuperNURDs, Algae in hand, going to their net again. Can they get it in? Yes, they do. 2375 Dragon Robotics lining up with the blue read, placing an L3 Coral. 1388, L4 for red. 610 lining up, another L4 for red. 2375 lining up. There slightly falls off. SuperNURDs lining up, placing another L4 Coral. Two more L4 Corals going on for the red alliance. It's 84-66 with a minute 10 remaining. Red has a slight, 84-71. Very small lead by red. SuperNURDs lining up, another L4. TitanBots putting an Algae in their processor. Red alliance has put two Algae in their processor now, meaning they're ready for cooperation if blue does the same. 2375 plays another L3 Coral for the blue alliance. SuperNURDs L4. On the red side of the field, we have Ventura Robotics doing some defense on 610 on 2543. Next to that Coral position. Algae up in the air from a given player. SuperNURDs going to their Coral station. We have 20 seconds to go. That sonar ping means it's time to climb. 128 to 120. Red has an 8-point lead. It really is anyone's game. SuperNURDs lifting into the air on the deep cage. They're up. Red side of the field. Anyone get up in the last moment? 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Official scores coming out in a moment.